Hello, I have for you today this Kabe Travel Master Novum x750 LXL. Look at that, 147,252. A lot of cash. It's got a side bed and a lot of space as you come in. Very particular look to it. Looks like a Swedish mountain hut or something like that, covered with snow. It's designed, obviously it's from Sweden, so it's designed for really cold weather, and I think the look it's got as well suggests that it's freezing cold outside, which incidentally, as you'll see from me in the mirror, is how I'm feeling now, because it's pretty cold here. Oh, it could be worse. There we have the corner shower, we have the toilet, and just to make the point, there we have some mirrors and me with my winter stuff on. We have here this really nice large wardrobe, and there we have the heating unit. In here we have the drawers, we've got the Dometic 2-burner hob, we've got the sink unit. Over here we'll find a Thetford fridge, and in here there's the wardrobe, and also storage above as well. This type of unit is quite unusual, unique to Kabe. Here, this it's only a 2-person van, but there's lots of space around the table, and thing is that for me though, I noticed that the front seats don't actually match the rear seats. Anyway, so there we have the skylights, and let's come outside. So that's the Kabe Novum x750 LXL. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. And note also that it's got the way the roof is. Now they can actually get an extra bed in the roof as an option in this vehicle. So hope you found it interesting. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Did that in under 3 minutes.